Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for Friday, 17th September. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as we all know, DXY US dollar became extremely bullish yesterday, and as we all know, US dollar has got huge impact on forex market. So I won't be discussing about the US dollar in this video again, because I have already talked in detail on my videos on Euro USD and Gold USD, so I do not want to bore you again. So just keep in mind that USD is still in uptrend, and there is a possibility that after some little bit of correction, US dollar will be going up again. So watch my video on Euro USD or Gold USD. You will come to know what you need to follow on USD for today. So this is the chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. So what should be our strategy for Friday? So things have not changed much for GBP USD, unlike the gold or the Euro USD, because when dollar became very strong, Euro USD, Gold USD saw heavy sell-off, but GBP USD is still trying to hold its position. And if you have watched my other videos on GBP USD, then you are in profit right now, because I have been talking about this level for quite some time, and I clearly mentioned in each and every one of my videos that 1.37802 to 1.3750 is the extreme support level for GBP USD. And therefore, if you have watched my other videos, then you are in a good profit right now, because this is a good support for the market. And as per our expectation, market took support and right now going up. But still, I want to make it very clear that US dollar has got correlation with British pound. Therefore, as I just mentioned few seconds back, that after a little bit of correction, USD will be going up. Okay, there is a possibility of US dollar going up. Okay, so in case US dollar starts going up, then definitely GBP USD will be going down. Then the main thing that we need to focus on the chart of GBP USD will be whether GBP USD will be able to hold its position or not. Whether GBP USD will be able to hold its support at 1.3780 level to 1.3750 level or not. This will be the main area of focus for us. And to be honest, I do not think that GBP USD will be a good option to trade on this Friday, because it will be struggling. Okay, try to understand my words here. GBP, in case there is a breakout on US dollar DXY, then GBP USD will be struggling, will be battling or fighting to hold its support level. So in that case, GBP USD will not be the best option for you to trade on this Friday. Therefore, if possible, try to avoid GBP USD for today at least. And on the other hand, in case there is a sharp fall on DXY, which where the chance is quite less, but still, in case there is a sharp fall on US dollar, then there will be good buying, or there should be good buying on GBP USD. Then you can go for buy order. But till then, if you find dollar going up, GBP USD struggling near the support level, my dear friend, please avoid GBP USD. Okay, do not need to trade here. There are other options where you can trade. Your loyalty should be towards making money, not towards GBP USD. So this is it. I'll be coming down tomorrow again with the detailed analysis for the coming week, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities for GBP USD again. And my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader membership program, where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month. If you're interested with the best trading opportunities on the market, just go to the Pro Trader section here. You will know everything in detail. And if you're a learner, if you want to learn from me, then just go to the workshop section on my website, where I take personal classes. If you're interested, then just go through all the information here. You'll find everything. So bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.